Hello student of standard 7. So welcome in our new session of SS. So today we are doing the revision because हमारा last lecture में हमने chapter 9 finish कर दिया था. So first of all choose the correct options. Choose the correct option आपका question number 1 in your worksheet. Which word is used for tribes? तो आदिवासी, scheduled caste, scheduled backward और SCBC. So we use tribes for आदिवासी. Number 2, which tribe is one of the oldest tribes of India? Aham, Gond, Briod and Sarthal. So it's a B, Gond tribe. Number 3, of which crop did Aham people discovered new method? कौन सी crop थी जो Aham people ने new method discovered की थी? It's a A, paddy. Which one is not include the nomadic tribes of India? इनमें से कौन सी nomadic tribes नहीं है इंडिया की? It's a Devi, Pujak. Number 5, who started the Bhakti movement? So Ramanujarya started the Bhakti movement. So the answer is C. 6 is which saint were Seva? इनमें से कौन से संत सेवा थे? It's a Nayanar. Sant was Seva. Who is the early poet of Gujarat? So Narsingh Mehta was the early poet of Gujarat. Which of the following is a natural disaster? इनमें से कौन सा natural disaster है? Fire, cyclone, industrial accident or bomb blast. So here is a cyclone. Cyclone is the natural disaster. बाकी सब man made हो सकते हैं. At which place did an earthquake occur on 16 June 1819 in Gujarat? Earthquake कहाँ पर आया था? जूनागढ़, नवसारी, बड़ौदा और कच्छ. So earthquake in Kutch. Which is the first stage of human development? Iron age, stone age, bronze age और copper age. तो first age of the human development is stone age. यहाँ से इंसान ने या ह्यूमन बीइंग ने टूल्स बनाना स्टार्ट करा. विच इज़ द लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड? द लार्जेस्ट इस गोबी, धरपत, सहारा और अटकमा. इट्स सहारा. सहारा इज द लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. विच वॉज द फर्स्ट सिनेस कंडक्टेड इन इंडिया? दिस वॉज इन 1871 AD. ओके, सो फर्स्ट का आंसर है ए, सेकेंड इज बी, थर्ड इज ए, फोर्थ इज ए, fifth is C, sixth is A, 7 is C, 8 is B, 9 is D, 10 is B, 11 is C and 12 is A. Okay, then the next page is what was the number of female per thousand male in 2011 AD? डेटा कितने थे? इट वॉज 940. विच राइटर इज नॉन एज द फादर ऑफ आख्याना? विच राइटर इज नॉन एज द फादर ऑफ आख्याना? इट्स अ परमानंद, इट्स अ भालन, इट्स अ दयाराम और इट्स अ समल भट्ट. सो द आंसर इज भालन इज द नॉन एज द फादर ऑफ आख्याना. विच स्टाइल इज मिक्सचर ऑफ नागर एंड द्रविड़ स्टाइल? So here is the Dravid, Maisara, Vasra or Nagar. So this is a Vasra style is a mixture of Nagar and Dravid style. Next is also here is our MCQs are finished. Next is fill in the blanks. So before independence, Dash society was different from other societies in some ways. This is a Adivasi. So before independence, Adivasi society was different from other societies. Next is in Dash AD, the Mughal army led by Mir Jumla defeated Ahom people in 1662. Next is Dash was the most important tribes among the nomadic and denotified tribes. It's a Vanjara. Next is Maldharis, women and men work to spin wool of sheep and hair of gods. So वो लोग क्या करते थे? Spin करते थे. Next is Dash Kabir was the great saint of monarchism. Acting is the soul of Kathakali dance. The event of flood is generally associated with river. The forecast of a flood is possible. The biodiversity day is celebrated on 29 December. The tourism industry is fast growing in Kutch. Terrace farming methods should be applied on slopy land to prevent the soil erosion. The effect of gender discrimination is mostly seen in village. Sarita Gaikwad has earned India a gold medal in Asian Games. Okay, now here is the ratio of female was 940 per thousand male in 2011. Next is a tick mark. So number 1, Aham people discovered new varieties of sugarcane. No, it's paddy, so that's why it's wrong. The tribal group is a lover and preserver of dance and instruments. It's wrong. The group of Banjara was called Tandu. It's right. The nuts Bajania lives in nest. It's wrong. The Alva saints were Seva and Nana saints were Vaishnava. It's wrong. The Mirabai was a devotee of Krishna from her childhood. It's right. Ras is an identity of Gujarat. It's wrong. Chaitra Vichitra fair is held in Sabarkantha district. It's right. Tsunami is a man-made disaster. No, it's wrong. The maximum impact of a disaster is seen on rich people. No, it's wrong. Yak is the man animal of the Sahara Desert. Wrong. The conservation of mineral resources is one type of saving. It's right. Child marriage is an evil custom. It's right. Gender equality between men and women is on the rise in India. It's right. So homework 2 in नोटबुक. ओके, ये रिवीजन आपको नोटबुक में करना है. वी विल मेट अगेन नेक्स्ट सेशन. टिल देन बाय. थैंक यू वेरी मच.